let's dive into something that's aiming to shake up the affiliate marketing world. It's a new platform called OfferLab, and it's all about creating this powerful, collaborative ecosystem for entrepreneurs. So how does it all work? Let's find out. So for anyone out there who's in the online marketing game, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried to stitch together a bunch of different products from different people into one single smooth sales funnel? If you have, you already know the pain I'm talking about. It's a total nightmare, right? You're juggling a dozen different affiliate links, trying to make integrations work that were never meant to, and then you've got to chase down payments from all these different vendors. It's just organized chaos, and it pulls you away from the one thing you should be doing, which is actually marketing. Well, that whole mess is the exact problem OfferLab was built to solve. It's designed to stop in and replace that tangled, disconnected process with something simple, streamlined, and all in one place. So what exactly is OfferLab? Well, it's the brainchild of Russell Brunson, and it's way more than just another marketplace. The key word here is ecosystem. Think of it as this single collaborative hub where product creators and affiliates can finally connect and work together using products that are designed to fit together perfectly right from the start. And here's the part that might just blow your mind. The cost to get into this ecosystem and start using these incredible tools is nothing. Zero. It is completely free to join for both product creators and affiliates. They've literally removed any barrier to getting started. You see, this platform is built with two very specific groups in mind. If you're a product creator, it's all about getting your offer in front of thousands of hungry affiliates. And if you're an affiliate, it's about building these insanely profitable funnels without all the usual technical headaches. So let's break down each side of that coin, starting with the creators. First up, if you've got a product, whether it's a course, a service, anything you sell, let's look at the huge advantage you get inside OfferLab. Getting your offer into the marketplace is ridiculously simple. You have options. You can just upload a sales page you already have, you can use their built-in AI to whip up a new one for you, or you can integrate directly with platforms you're probably already using, like ClickFunnels or Go High Level. The whole point is to make it totally frictionless. So what's the payoff? Well, the second your offer is live, it's instantly available to this entire army of motivated affiliates. Just imagine your product suddenly showing up as an order bump or an upsell in dozens, maybe hundreds of other people's funnels, making you sales while you sleep. And the best part? The system handles all the commission payments automatically. It doesn't matter if you sell digital products, physical goods, or even coaching. It's all taken care of. Okay, so that's a huge deal for creators. But now, let's flip over to the affiliate side of things, because this is where it gets really exciting. We're talking about a serious power-up here. And the core idea for affiliates is something called a superfunnel. Now, I want you to imagine you're a master chef in a kitchen filled with the world's best ingredients. You can walk through this marketplace of amazing offers, main products, order bumps, upsells, and you can pick and choose the absolute best of each to create the perfect, high-converting sales funnel. And putting one of these together is so straightforward. You could literally take a great main offer from one creator, add the perfect little order bump from someone else, and then cap it all off with a powerful, high-ticket upsell from a third expert. And then that entire funnel, with products from 3 different people, launches with just one single link. That is the magic of this system. What this really means is you get to stop being an accountant and start focusing on what you're actually good at: promotion. Forget trying to figure out commission splits or chasing down payments from 3 different vendors. All of that headache is handled for you, automatically, in the background. You just focus on driving traffic, and you get paid. It's that simple. So let's just bring this all home. OfferLab is not just another tool. It really represents a fundamental shift in how creators and affiliates can finally work together. It's an ecosystem truly built on the idea that collaboration is what creates profit for everybody. This is the core mission, right here. It's about taking that messy, frustrating, disconnected process we talked about at the beginning and completely transforming it into a smooth, seamless system where everyone wins by working together. And it's more than just the funnel building tools. The whole ecosystem is built for partnership. There's integrated messaging so you can connect directly with other creators and affiliates, a super simple way to request permission to promote offers, and even a referral program to help you expand your income just by bringing other great people into the community. So, at the end of the day, the question is pretty simple. Are you ready to stop wrestling with the messy, complicated parts of your business and start focusing on the things that actually grow your revenue? If the answer is yes, then you really don't want to miss out on this. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of an ecosystem that is literally designed for growth. Go grab your free account, see what's inside, and discover what's possible when collaboration is finally made easy. Sign up now.